In this video, we will discuss ARM design philosophy. ARM processor is a RISC-based processor. It is a RISC processor. RISC stands for Reduced Instruction Set Computer. So these are the some design considerations which are used for ARM processor. Let us first discuss the features of RISC which has accepted by ARM processors. First one, a large uniform register file. A large uniform register file. An ARM processor contains a large number of registers like a RISC processor. Second one, a load store architecture. ARM processor uses a RISC architecture. It contains a large number of registers. The instruction set contains separate load and store instructions for transferring data between the register bank and the external memory. When the data is to be operated, it is stored in the register and then processed. The memory access are separated from data processing. So we can use data items stored in register multiple times without multiple memory accesses. This is advantageous since memory access are costly. In contrast, with a CISC architecture, the data processing instructions can operate on memory directly. Simple addressing modes with all load or store addresses being determined from register contents and instruction fields only. So the third design philosophy is uniform and fixed length instruction fields. ARM processor instruction set contains reduced number of instructions. Also, these instructions perform simple operations which can be executed in a single cycle. If the complicated operations such as a division are to be performed, the compiler or programmer synthesizes them by combining several simple instructions. Each instruction is fixed length. This allows the pipeline to fetch the feature instructions before decoding the current instruction. In contrast, the CISC processor contains the instruction of variable size, complex, and take more cycles to execute. So in CISC complexity, CISC complexity is in processor hardware, where in RISC complexity is in compiler. The uniform and fixed length instruction fields simplify the instruction decoding. The next one, three addresses instruction formats. Most instructions of ARM and RISC processors have three address instruction formats. That is, two source operands are stored in two different address locations and third operand in a third address location. Let us now discuss the features of RISC which are rejected by ARM processor. First one is the register windows. The main problem with register window is the large chip area occupied by the large number of registers. This feature is therefore rejected by ARM processor to reduce cost. Second one, delayed branches. When branch instructions appear in a program and hence in pipeline, a delay slot is created. This causes pipeline problems since this is a distributes to the smooth flow of instructions. This delay slot is filled with some useful instructions which in most cases will be executed. In most RISC processors, this problem is tried to reduce by using delayed branches. Here the branches takes place after the following instruction has executed. This delayed branching technique works well when the processor uses single pipeline. However, it may create problem for superscalar implementation and also cannot work well with branch prediction mechanism. Original ARM does not use delayed branch since they make execution handling more complex. Next one, single cycle execution of all instructions. ARM processor execute most of the data processing instructions in a single cycle. However, many other instructions need multiple clock cycles for their execution. More than one clock cycle becomes the requirement even for a simple load and store instructions. At least two memory accesses, one for the instruction and one for the data, are needed. In addition, there are some this architecture ARM architecture provides control over the both arithmetic logical unit and shifter in various data processing instructions to maximize the use of ALU and shifter. Auto increment, auto decrement addressing modes to optimize program loops. load and store multiple instructions to maximize data throughput. So these are the some design philosophies of ARM processor. Thank you.